This is for the musicians. So I just wanted to make my mind run wild on the relationship between the diminished seventh chord and the dominant chord. Here's what I came up with. Every diminished seventh chord is a potential dominant seventh chord. Let me explain how. So in jazz, we play a ninth chord, which is 1 3 1 major third perfect fifth um, flat seven and the major ninth, right? So what we do is instead of playing the natural ninth, we flatten it. So we have 1 3 5 flat seven and flat nine. So if you remove the roots, let's imagine we're on the key of G, and we want to use G as our dominant. We have G B D F A. We flatten the F. We flatten the A, so it becomes A flat. Now we have G B D F A flat. Now here is it. If you remove G, which is the root, you have a diminished chord, right? So if you invert your diminished chord, you have B D F A flat. The next one will be D F A flat and B, right? Then you have F A flat B and D. Then you have A flat B D and F. Now what you do is for every diminished chord you play, put a play a note, a major third backwards, and you have like a dominant seven flat ninth, right? So if we use G, let's imagine we have G as our root, right? We want to play G dominant seven. What we'll do is we'll play G B D F G B D F A flat, and then we invert it. Our diminished chord, we have D F A flat B. What will be the major third from D, which then becomes the inversion of the, which is now the inversion of the diminished chord, is B flat. If you invert it again, you have, the second time you have B flat, D, F, A flat, and B, which is the second option. And if you invert it again, you have C sharp, F, A flat, B, and D. Third option. The fourth option will be E, A flat, B, D, and F. So if you do that, the moment you have a G dominant seventh chord, you have four options. Right? The moment you have a C sharp dominant seventh chord, you have four options. The moment you have an E dominant seventh chord, half an hour, you have four options. The moment you have a, a, a B flat dominant seventh chord, you have four options. So that's what makes, not reharmonization. It just adds to the complexity of what we're doing now. And these are very, very simple things. Just a change of notes, but just having an idea why you're doing what you're doing. So that's the tip for today. Have fun now.